And yes, for those of you wondering, my grandma used to teach tango and flamenco lessons to her students a long time ago. So, yeah.
Hi guys! So today I'm going to be filming my grandma for the holidays, and I'm going to make her look all pretty. Hey!
So as for the base of her eyes, I used the Shape Tape from Tarte Concealer in light neutral for eyeshadows to stay in place longer. First, from Urban Decay, I used Foxy all over the lid space and the brow bone. Next, with the Bubs Beauty palette, I took the shade Optimistic, which is a light warm tone brown shade, and placed it at the edge of the eye of my grandma's eyes to start defining a shape with her eye and smoke it out a little. We need to remember that because our grandmothers and seniors' skin is different, we need to brush their skin lightly and gently. Then I went in with Snake Eyes from ColourPop, which is a beautiful metallic rosy pink shade, and I placed this in the center of her eye so it can accentuate her smoky look. I feel like this pink metallic shimmer was perfect for my grandmother's eyes because it was very subtle, yet it made her eyes look more luminous and gave her more youthfulness. I really think lighter shadows work really well on senior skin, especially pink shimmers or even golds will look fabulous to bring out the eyes of our lovely grandmas. Then next, to smoke it out a little more, I did something a little daring. I kind of did a cat shape outer edge with the Bubs Beauty palette in Inspired, which is more of a dark chocolate brown. Lastly, I went in with a white gold to place the shade in her brow bone to give her eyes a little bit of highlight. To give more lift to the look, my grandma used her favorite mascara from Maybelline's in Great Lash. I let her do this part because I'm always afraid to put mascara on other people. I don't like the feeling that I'm feeling like I'm gonna poke their eyes out. Also, this has been one of my grandma's favorite products since forever. She's been wearing the same mascara since I was a little girl. I can never forget the pink green bottle that was always in her purse. My grandma is so lucky to have such flawless, beautiful skin. So just lightly, we went in with a powder foundation by Revlon. I'm not sure what shade my grandmother is, but make sure that your foundation matches your neck and not your face. To brighten her complexion more, I once again used the Shape Tape Concealer in light neutral. You should always go 2 shades lighter if you're going to go under the eyes, because that part will really brighten up the under eyes a lot more. And this made a really dramatic difference in my grandmother's look. My grandma's skin tone is warm, so I just added a little bronzer onto her face using the Too Faced Milk Chocolate de Soleil in matte to make her features appear slightly smaller. For my grandmother's blush, I actually mixed 2 blushes, one in Tarte's Seduce, which is a matte peachy warm shade blush, and the other one I used was from Ofra, which was called Peach Icing. This one had slightly hints of gold flexes in it, but it actually came out looking very beautiful on my grandmother's cheeks. For more senior-like skin, I would say apply this method a little more outwardly and to the apples of the cheeks so it can give an all-round balanced look to the face. Then I added a little bit of highlight. I went in with Moonstone from Becca, and I just applied this to the key points of her face, above the brows, a little bit over the cheek zone, and a little on her nose. So the last thing I did was I filled in my grandmother's brows. Now this is something I haven't ever even done on myself, so I don't own any brow fillers. So I improvised and I used the Bubs Beauty palette and just took a shade that I think would have matched her overall look, which was a little bit of like a lighter chocolate brown. And what I did was I just filled in her brows shape as is. I don't know if I did this the correct way, you guys let me know, but I think it definitely tied her whole look together. The last thing I did was I added a orangey red lip color to my grandmother. Ever since I've known my grandma, she's always loved like red looks, wine colored looks for her lips. Alright guys, so that concludes the end of my tutorial, or actually my grandmother's makeup tutorial. And this look can work so nicely on all the beautiful grannies out there, my abuelitas. I really hope you guys enjoyed my abuela on my YouTube channel. This is the first time I'm introducing one of my family members to you guys on my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. We definitely had a lot of laughs and a lot of fun creating this look. And I'll see you guys in my next video. See you, llamas. Until next time. Hasta la próxima.